If you think we will give you baby Jess, then you're dead fucking wrong. He's under police protection. What no? Guys, I see Melvin. Betsy, stay back and get info from those guys. Alright, Melvin and a cop is with baby Jess. There's an arsonist after baby Jess. Scattered Skull member. Bro, this guy is talking to Firestarter on a earpiece. Whoa, Scattered Skull Lori. Crap, okay, well I'm gonna follow M. Hopefully the cops keep baby Jess safe. But guys, we have mission, and that is to get rid of Firestarter's fire fuel to stop him from burning down stuff. Here goes nothing. The Cybertruck versus Scattered Skull's truck. That truck is done, yarings. Wait, Firestarter.
What Joe do you find in always ruining our plans, Jess?
Guys, this Firestarter needs to quit this shit. He's clearly transferring all this to the Scattered Skull bases. You guys are straight up cowards targeting a kid.
This delivery will still undergo anyways regardless of your interference. Initiates, subdue her, please.
What no? Fuck off.
Night night.
Ouch. Guys, Firestarter is calling a Scattered Skull member to pick them up. I think I destroyed the fire fuel in the truck. He has me captured. Right guys, I'm gonna jump off when they are in a field. They must be heading to more fire fuel locations. Time to jump. Phew, I landed safely. Wait, I hear something from those mountains. Let's take a fucking look. There's two brown recluse here. They are talking about me. Whoa, a suited skull just shown up. These guys definitely have fire fuel that they are transferring, so we gotta take theirs as well. We are making a distraction. Hiya! Ha 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 ha, sucker! Haha, I got the fuel bitch. Did that guy just trip? Stay back, suited skull. We are at the Scattered Skull House now. Firestarter has fire fuel here. Once we take this supply out, he can't burn down shit. Brown Recluse, please don't see me, please don't see me. Yo guys, it's that PZ 3.0 lawyer guy. Wait, did Firestarter say an assassin? Wait, is the PZ 3.0 assassin back? He has a new outfit, but this is bad, the assassin has returned. I guess he was in that prison and was arrested with the leader. Firestarter seen me.
It's time to show who I truly am, Jess.
Yo, Firestarter is unmasking. ITS Jaden. Jaden was attacked by the assassin before. Wait, that's right. Jaden turned evil cuz he was brainwashed by PZ 3.0, he's evil clown. Wait, the Brown Recluse gave him something. That's a new outfit.
Stand back, I will take care of her.
Battle Royale, bring it on, evil clown. Haha, yes, take that, evil fuck.
This is so far from over, Jess. Niktovisha.
I'm getting out of here, these guys are crazy. I couldn't take out their last fire fuel, but we unmasked the Firestarter.
Detsy, you'll be coming with us.